morning. This is the exacttrades.com Shakers report for August 8th, 2011. We're taking a look at the S&P 500 first here. You can see on Friday's session we had the big sell-off from 122 down into about 117. Had a pretty big bounce and then ended up closing lower at support around 120. Let's take a look at the pre-market. You can see here we sold off, getting a little bit of a bounce and still trying to hold that support right here around 117. So let's see what it does on the open. We could get some buying. Watch for a failure of this 117. I would stay with the trend for now until we actually put in a bottom, and be careful with your longs. We're seeing a lot of volatility during the day, so really hard to get into any kind of trending trades. You're better off to trade probably more reversals. Going to get some more swings during the day, some big fluctuations. So I would stay to the short side until we get some good confirmation that we're breaking trend and going to move up higher. So and still not much good news out there, but we'll see. We've sold off quite a bit and all the charts look very similar, big drops. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. First we have UFS, Domtar Corp. You can see here, got some resistance here about 72 area. We're going to look to take this long over 70.15, the 15-minute chart here. So right around here, take this long. First target's going to be right around 71. You can see this resistance right in here. So just under 71, I would take some off. It's going to be close to 1%, and then see if it can move past that 71, possibly into the 72 area. Next up, we have Portland General Electric, POR. You can see here coming down to the support areas, bounced off of this 22, looking for a bottom to be put in here. We're going to take this long over 23.55, so right there, look to take it long. Going to take some profit around 23.75 to 23.80 area, right in there, and then leave some to see if it can come into 24. We're going to have some more resistance at 24. Right now holding up pre-market, so if we get some buying it could break through this resistance level, take it long, and then ride it up through these resistance levels above. Next we have BRKR, looking for a long over 1407, so right around this area here. So watch for a push above this resistance level, 1407, take it long. First profit target's going to be around 1425, so right about there, and then see if it can come into 1450. If it breaks 1450, next resistance is probably going to be right around this 1475 area right there. Next we have VHC. You can see here coming into these support levels, looking for a bounce. Going to take this long over 2256. So we're looking to take this long right around here. First profit target's going to be 2280, and then see if we can come into over 2330 area. Probably going to see some resistance in that area. Next we have OSG, held up here on Friday's session, looking to push up over 22. Going to take this long over 2205. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. Look to take this long over 2205, right about there. First profit target's going to be 2230, right there, and then see if it can push through these resistance levels, 2260, and then next to 23. So those are going to be your profit targets. Next we have CLD. You can see here, right at failed just under support level. Going to look to take this short on another failure below 1872. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. So watch this on the open, see if it can sell off. It could give a little bit of a bounce down here, but a break below 1872, take this short. First profit target's going to be about 1850, and then leave a piece to come into 18. Next up we have DreamWorks, DWA. You can see this double bottom here on Friday's session. We're going to look for a break below that. Take this short below 1910. So right there, take it short. Should break through 19, I would look for a profit target around 1885 area, and then leave some to see if it can trickle down into 1850, especially if we have some selling in the market again today. Next up we have Penske Automotive Group, PAG. You can see here support level right around there from Friday's session. We're going to look to take this short below 1855, so right around there. First profit target's going to be 1835, so right in that area, and then leave some open to see if it can come down into 18. Next up we have SGY, Stone Energy. You can see here selling, breaking down through all support levels. Going to look for another move down. Going to take this short below 24.95, so we're going to wait for it to break that 25 support level. So 24.95, right about in there. Gonna look to take some profit around 24.70 and then 24.50, like right in there, and then leave some to see if it can come down into 24. So gradually peel out of that, especially if we get selling, like I said. Remember, it's going to be volatile today, so stay on top of your positions. I wouldn't try to trade a lot of trendy stuff. We could get, a big bounce in the market. We could see new lows and then the bounce. So just be alert, be flexible with your positions, and stay focused. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.